In a quiet junkyard on the edge of town, a young mechanic named Ethan found an old, rusted car buried under dust and years of neglect. While everyone else saw only scrap metal, Ethan saw potential. So he brought it to his small workshop with the help of his friend Lucas. The car looked terrible: flat tires, cracked windows, and a rusted body, but Ethan believed every machine deserved a second chance. They began by carefully inspecting the car, opening the hood and checking the engine, oil system, wires, and fuel tank. Everything was dirty and worn out, but instead of giving up, they started cleaning every part, slowly removing years of dirt and rust. After cleaning, Ethan removed the engine and placed all the parts on a table like a giant puzzle. They cleaned the pistons and valves, replaced damaged components, added fresh oil, and carefully rebuilt the engine piece by piece. Next, they repaired the car's body by cutting out rusty metal, welding new panels, and sanding the surface until it was smooth. Finally, they painted the car a beautiful, deep metallic blue, the workshop filled with the smell of fresh paint and the sound of tools. They installed new tires, fixed the wiring, cleaned the interior, and placed the restored engine back under the hood. After weeks of hard work, Ethan sat in the driver's seat, turned the key, and for a moment, nothing happened. But then suddenly, the engine roared to life with a powerful sound. Lucas jumped with excitement, while Ethan smiled proudly. That evening, they drove the car out of the garage, the shiny blue paint glowing in the sunset. People on the street stared in surprise at the beautiful classic vehicle. What was once a pile of junk in a forgotten corner had become a masterpiece again, proving that with patience, skill, and belief, even the most broken things can be restored and given a new life.